Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. So I went ahead and moisturized and braided up her hair the night before so that today, this video, baby, we got some stretched hair. Yes, that's a good way not to put like heat on your baby hair, right? So now we're gonna do a middle part. Okay, we're gonna bust it all the way back to the kitchen, yeah. Then we're gonna go ahead and get our gel, your favorite gel. I forgot what it's called, but I'm gonna keep on moving because I don't feel like stopping this recording. Anyways, so we're gonna do an ear to ear part, okay? Trying to make it as straight as possible. I noticed that, you know, my ear to ear part be a little bit wonky, but that's looking good. Yeah. Then get your gel. Ooh. Had to tell her to sit up, baby, because you got some oil in your hair, baby. I kind of like my pants, you know. It got a little stain on it, so I guess she was all right to lean on it. And then you want to make sure that you getting your part all nice and crispy, just like that. That looking crispy. And then what you do on one side, you're going to go ahead and do to the other. Now we got the hair all divided up in four, just like this, just like that. Look at them parts. Wait a minute. Anyways, y'all. So now I'm going to be parting out my center. Having the center is going to, one, determine where I want my ponytail to sit. But most importantly, it's going to be a great guidance when parting for my braids, okay? Having this is going to make your parting time go quicker. Make it go braiding time go quicker. And that's why we here watching the video, to make this hairstyle go quicker. Can I get an amen? Yes, Lord. So I made my center pretty big because I knew I wanted to do big braids. I believe I know in the front I ended up doing like 4, and I think in the back I did like 3 braids. So yeah, if you want big braids, do a big party center. If you want small braids, do a small one. So how I ended up parting for this circle, I just took one section and I just kind of created like a little half moon, and then I went ahead and just tried to connect all of them together to try to make, like, you know, a pretty even circle. Then I went ahead and I went in the sections and I braided it down, as you guys see me doing here. I don't really know how else to explain this by just being like, you know, look at it. This just makes more sense instead of just collecting all the hair in a circle and making it one big braid, and then your baby got one big clump of braid in the middle of the head. And it's kind of like, what's going on right there, you know? So we, yeah, divide it up in like that, braided, yeah. All right, so now we're going to move on to the back because low-key, my back be on fire. So I'm like, let's just get the hardest part out the way here. I am sectioning off how big I want the braids. Like I said, I did 3 in the back in one section, so in total there was 6 in the back, and you guys see how I parted it, and it just goes up evenly. It goes up nicely, demure to the center, right? So I went ahead and I gelled that part up, and now I'm just making it all nice and wispy. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and prep for the braid. I'm just gonna put gel on the perimeter of her hair, and then I'm gonna comb from the roots. No, sorry, I'm gonna comb from the ends to the roots. And so, yeah, y'all see me doing it here, being very gentle, because I am heavy-handed. I ain't gonna lie to you. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna braid her on up. And I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this music. Hey, yeah, sorry, real quick. I also made a braiding video if you guys need help learning how to braid. Now, I didn't make the video upside down, like braided upside down. So if y'all want that, I guess let me know. It's the same thing. Just put your baby head down. But I made a video on how to braid. Homegirl that asked for it. Hopefully you saw it. I made it for you. Sorry it took me 5 years, but I want to say life be lifing, but other people's life really be lifing, and I'm just complaining. Can I get an amen? So yeah, If y'all want to check that out, it'll be in the corner card. Okay. And her spot right there, it got a bit red. I've been checking it and all that kind of stuff. And then even after this video, it ain't red no more. You see it getting a little bright. But yeah, she fine.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time, emotions running high. I wish you felt alright, just hitting my line.
Okay, so I jumped around a little bit. So for this section of her head, I went ahead and I just did them 2 outer braids and I left that middle part. I did zigzags on this part. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. This section was just bigger than the rest and I didn't know what to do. I didn't want it to look funky and you just got this big old braid with these other similar even braid. I was like, I don't know how I ended up here, but this still came out cute. I'm gonna try my best to explain this. When I was filming this, I was not worried about y'all. I just was thinking like I need to do something with this section and I was just hoping that I was able to pull off the zigzag braids. And I said, I did a pretty good job. So I'm gonna try to explain it the best that I can. Y'all ready? Here we go. First things first, I went ahead and I sectioned off her hair in 4. The reason why I did 4 is because when it got skinny at the top, I ain't messing with it no more. So I ended up with 4. And what really helped me achieve this is braiding her hair from left to right. Y'all see I swung my leg over my baby head. Yeah, I'm athletic. And I positioned my body to the left side and I got my hands positioned to braid her hair to the left. As y'all see that, just like Beyonce. To the left, to the left. Everything you want. Y'all didn't ask for a concert. Anyway, so once I get done braiding this section, I'm going to keep braiding down just so that I have enough hair to go up to the next section. So I'm not pulling her hair because we don't want no tension bumps over here. I did slow this down for y'all. Hopefully y'all can see it and understand it. But yeah, I'm just detangling so everything's all smooth. I'm just waiting for that just waiting for that zoom in. There it is. Yeah. So I braided her hair a little bit down and now I'm just going to be braiding her hair up on that left side, only on the left side, and just keep going up till you can't grab hair no more. Keep going up in that section. And when you reach the tippity top, then twist your hands, position your hands to go to the right. Beyonce didn't make a song by going to the right. So I'm just going to say to the right, to the right. So you're just going to keep going right. And then you're just going to keep braiding down the hair. And then once you get done braiding down the hair in the section, keep braiding down. Keep placking down the hair. Let me see placking. Keep placking down the hair. See, right here, I zoomed in again. I'm placking down the hair. That's what I mean. So that when we go up to that next section, we got enough hair to add to it instead of just pulling the baby's head. And now we got tension bumps.
think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you.
So here, I'm placking down the hair again so that we're not pulling, creating tension buffs. And I'm just going to catch that corner. And then once I'm there, I'm just going to keep braiding towards the middle. And then once you're in the middle, you just braid straight up. And this is the back all done. Okay. Looking good. Now, something I just realized, her fourth braid is in the middle of her head. I don't know how I did that. And in the beginning, I parted her hair down the middle. So I don't know how that happened. That's why I ended up with a big old piece. I don't get that. But anyway, so for this front section, I went ahead and I split it into 2 sections. And then I'm going to break it down even further. I'm going to split that section into 2. And then we're just going to braid on up, baby. Yes, ma'am. 4 braids total on one side of the head. Because I was like, I'm not doing no less than 4. I was done. I was ready to clock out. Okay, so real quick, y'all, I want to show you guys why the center is a great guidance and it's important to have. Y'all see right there how my braids were not even at the bottom? This is why we want our center, so our braids can be all... Excuse you. Excuse you. Excuse him, y'all. So, yeah, you just want to make sure that your braids are even towards the center. My phone stopped recording, but this is what this side is looking like. All done. Yes, man, we almost done. We almost done, okay? And what you do to one side, you're going to do to the other. Yeah, so I know I'm going to go ahead and skip around, and I'm just going to show you guys the 2 last braids. And then we going to be done with this hairstyle, baby. We're almost done. We almost. Y'all, we done with the hairstyle. Yes. Ooh, Lord, I know my back break. Yeah, my baby, she got to get up and look in the mirror every time. Every time I do it here, can I see my hair? So like I said, we ain't done yet. Okay, we're going to go ahead and oil up that scalp, y'all. Get your favorite oil. Get to oiling the baby's scalp. Now, fun fact on why I did this hairstyle. So my daughter was in a dance recital and she had 2 performances on Saturday and Sunday. They wanted the girl's hair to be up in a ponytail, and I just didn't want to pull my baby's hair in a ponytail for 2 days in a row because, you know, my baby's hair is a little bit on the shorter side. So I'm like, let's braid it up. So you guys see me here moussing her hair. I'm doing this so that the flyaways can stay intact. And then after I get done moussing, I'm going to go in lightly with Got To Be glue spray. It's just hairspray to just, again, keep them flyaways from not flying away. Now I'm going in with a hair dryer on the cool setting just to dry down the mousse and the hairspray. Now I did add a little bit of weave into her ponytail just so I can use the comb on the fake ponytail. I could dig the comb into the fake hair instead of my baby real hair because she had to wear fake hair for the performance. Everybody did. All the babies did. And they look gorgeous. So that is me just trying to apply the fake hair. Now, I am a horrible person. I did not give a final reveal look. This is it, y'all. I'm sorry. But, y'all, she look cute. All right, y'all. So this is going to be it. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.